Welcome to my channel, so glad you could stop by. Let's talk about dishwashers and some tips that you might not know about. Did you know that your dishwasher can clean more than just dishes? In fact, there's one surprising thing you can wash in your dishwasher that will blow your mind. Stay tuned. I'll reveal it at the end. But first, let's dive into the must-know dishwasher hacks to make your dishes cleaner, fresher, and even speed up drying time. Hack number 1. The right way to load for maximum cleanliness. Overcrowding is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Here's how to load it correctly. Plates? They seem simple enough. Face them toward the center. It allows the spray to come in contact fully with the plates. Bowls and cups? Slightly tilted downward to avoid water pooling on top. Silverware? There are many ways to do this. Try this way. Mix them up to prevent them from nesting together. Hack number 2. The secret to sparkling glasses. Spotty, cloudy glasses? It's mostly due to hard water buildup or soap residue. Here's how to fix it. Add white vinegar to the rinse aid compartment. It works just as well as a store-bought rinse aid. Or try this surprising hack. Run an empty cycle, with a packet of unsweetened lemonade mix. The citric acid dissolves that cloudy film. Hack number 3. Dishwasher filter cleaning. Your dishwasher can't clean dishes if it's dirty itself. Many people don't even know this is to be done. Once a month, clean this filter. Just twist it out and rinse it of any grime. Then be sure to replace it. Then, run a hot cycle with a bowl of white vinegar on the top rack. Follow up with baking soda sprinkled on the bottom for freshness. Hack number 4. The plastic cup trick. Ever find plastic cups full of water after a wash? Stop them from flipping over by placing them under a metal cooling rack, like what you use to cool cookies. Hack number 5. Natural lemon freshener. Want your dishwasher to smell amazing? Toss a few lemon peels into the silverware basket before you start the wash cycle. They act as a natural deodorizer and also helps cut grease. Hack number 6. The fastest drying trick. Waiting forever for dishes to dry? Try this. If you don't have time for the dishes to dry, right after the wash cycle is done, drape a clean dish towel over the door and close it for 5 minutes. The towel absorbs steam, leaving dishes dry and spot-free. Hack number 7. We all want to save money on our electric bills, right? Appliances use up the largest part of our monthly usage. Try this hack to save a huge chunk of change. Use your timer on the dishwasher. Run the dishwasher at night after midnight. The rates are the lowest at that time. Check with your power company to see what hours the rates are lowest. Hack number 8. Are your dishes wet on the bottom? Rack after the dry cycle? Be sure to unload the dishwasher from the bottom up. Empty the bottom rack first, then the next one up. If you do it from the top down, leftover water on the top rack drips down and gets the dry dishes on the bottom wet. Doing it this way prevents you from having to do double duty of wiping dry all the dishes. Hack number 9. Dishwashers aren't just for dishes. A dishwasher can clean more than just dishes. The ability for a dishwasher to use hot water and sperry can be beneficial in cleaning other things. Try washing sponges and scrub brushes. It disinfects them too. Kitchen range hood filter. A dishwasher can get the grease that hand washing can't reach. Plastic toys. For tiny pieces like Legos, place them in a net bag and put on top rack of the dishwasher. Ceiling light glass globes for a sparkle clean. Plastic dog toys. Great way to disinfect them. Be sure to turn off the drying heat cycle for most items. Hack number 10. As promised, the big surprise. What else can you wash? Here it is, what you have been waiting for. Did you know you can wash baseball caps in the dishwasher? Just place them on the top rack, secure them with a hat frame or a bowl, and use a gentle cycle. It keeps their shape way better than the washing machine. Be sure to turn off the drying heat cycle and let them air dry. Did any of these hacks surprise you? Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want even more game-changing cleaning tips, check out my next video. It's linked on here at the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more home hacks. Bye for now. See you in the next video.